Yes, very good morning. So we were doing chapter number 10, visualizing solid shapes. Yesterday, we did the definition of polyhedron. And I just have told you that polyhedron is a solid figure in which faces are polygons. Yes, so I was telling you about the definition of polyhedron, that polyhedron, they are the solid figures which are made up of which are made up of polygon, whose faces are polygon. They are known as polyhedron. For example, if I show you this cube, you can easily say that this cube, it is a polyhedron. Why it is a polyhedron? Because if all the faces, if you look at it, you revolve it, look at each and every face, all the faces, they seems to be a polygon. Polygon means they are made up of line segment. Nowhere you are looking a curve, right? Nowhere curve is there. So that's why we call this cube to be a polyhedron. So yesterday we did non-polyhedron also. So non-polyhedron are those which do not made up of polygon, whose faces are not polygon. For example, if I show you this cylinder, then easily you can detect that in this cylinder, the faces, you can say this is circle, and this is curve. So you can't see any of the face of this solid which is made up of line segments. That's why this is better known as non-polyhedron. इसीलिए हम इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Non-polyhedron. Right? So ये definitions हमने की थी polyhedron and non-polyhedron की. Now we are going to start with the convex and concave polyhedron. So I'm writing convex polyhedron. We'll do the definition of convex polyhedron, then concave polyhedron, convex polyhedron and concave polyhedron definition we are going to start. What is convex polyhedron and what is concave polyhedron? As far as convex polyhedron is concerned, I'm writing the definition, then I will explain. If the line segment joining any 2 points of a polyhedron lies entirely inside it, then it is called convex polyhedron. Then it is called convex polyhedron. If a line segment joining any 2 points of a polyhedron lies entirely inside it, then it is called convex polyhedron. I am writing the two definitions, then I will explain with the help of the figure. So on the other hand, if we are talking about concave polyhedron, so we'll say if the line segment, बस सारा कुछ लिख के यहाँ पे लिख लो, do not lie entirely inside it. बाकी सारा सेम, सिर्फ ये वाली लाइन चेंज कर लो. इसमें क्या होगा? Line segment joining any 2 points of polyhedron do not lie entirely inside, then we say that that is a concave polyhedron. So I can give you example. If I make figure of a cuboid here, suppose I am making it like this, cube or cuboid, and I join any 2 points, line joining any 2 points of this polyhedron. So easily you can see that all the line segments joining any 2 points of this cuboid, they lie entirely inside the cuboid. That's why we say that cuboid is a convex polyhedron. It is an example of convex polyhedron. And if I take one of the polyhedron without any name, I am taking simple एक polyhedron मैं यहाँ पे construct कर रही हूँ. You can see ऐसे ही आप इसको करिए. If I take this polyhedron, ठीक है, अगर मैं ये polyhedron लेती हूँ, हमें नहीं पता that what is exact name of this shape. This is a polyhedron that we know that why it is a polyhedron, because it is entirely made up of line segment. It is entirely made up of polygons. So if I join these 2 points of this polyhedron, this point and this point, the line segment that I am getting, that lies outside of it. So which satisfies the definition. We know that if the line segment joining any 2 points lies outside, then that polyhedron is going to be a concave polyhedron, as you can see in the figure. That I am joining these 2 points of the polyhedron and I am getting a line which lies outside the polyhedron. That is called concave polyhedron. Now the definition should be very much clear to you that if the line joining any 2 points of a polyhedron lies entirely inside it, then it is convex polyhedron, and if line joining any 2 points of the polyhedron, it lies outside it, then it is called concave polyhedron, right? So these definitions, they are going to be very important. They can be part of your paper also. Paper में भी आ सकती हैं. Now I am discussing, हम contrast से ही करेंगे जैसे आप करते हो in science. You do that difference between living and non-living things, and one partition is being done. Here it is written living thing, here it is written non-living thing. Same way, in contrast way, we will do the definition. So contrast करके हमने किया convex and concave polygon में difference करते हुए we have done their definition. Similarly, we will do the definition of regular polyhedron and irregular polyhedron by making difference between them. So let us see regular polygon किया था ना, अब हम करने लगे हैं regular polyhedron. Regular polygon is that whose all sides and each angle is equal. ठीक है? So this is different. This is regular polyhedron. That was a regular polygon. This is regular polyhedron. So irregular polyhedron. Regular polyhedron and irregular polyhedron. So first of all, I'm writing the definition, then I will explain with the help of the figure. So if we are talking about a regular polyhedron, its faces are made up of, ये तो हमें पता है कि पॉलीहेड्रन के फेसेस पॉलीगन्स होते हैं, ऑलवेज पॉलीगन्स, है ना? This we did the definition of polyhedron, that whose faces are polygons. If its faces are made up of congruent polygons, जैसे हमें पता है कि फेसेस पॉलीगन्स होते हैं, बट अगर ये पॉलीगन्स congruent polygon हो जाए, then we say that the polyhedron is regular polyhedron. On the other hand, if the faces are non-congruent polygons, then it is called irregular polyhedron. So regular and irregular polyhedron, you can very much imagine. So I can give you example. I can show you the figure in which the faces are congruent polygons that are called regular polyhedron, and the figures in which the faces are non-congruent polygons that are going to be irregular polyhedrons. For example, if we see this cube, this is example of polyhedron. We know why it is example of polyhedron, because its faces are polygons. Its faces are polygons. And you know, all the faces, this face, this cube is having 6 faces, all are congruent to each other. Congruency की definition हमने करी हुई है, congruency हमने करी थी, that congruent figures are those figures which are similar to each other in shape and size. तो आप इसके इस फेस की, अगर आप इसके फ्रंट फेस की बात करो जहां पे क्यूब लिखा हुआ है, जहां पे क्यूब लिखा हुआ है, और इसके बैक फेस की बात करो, दे विल बी आइडेंटिकल. अपर एंड लोअर फेस की साइड एंड ये सारे क्या हैं, congruent polygons है. That's why as its faces are congruent polygons, polygons तो होंगे ही इसके faces, because polyhedron is made up of polygons. But when these polygons they are becoming congruent, that is called regular polyhedron. अब मैं बात करती हूँ इसकी तरफ आ जाइए. अभी आपको इसका पता नहीं कि ये क्या है, वैसे ये स्क्वायर पिरामिड है, अभी मैं डेफिनेशन करवाऊंगी. But you know, if we are talking about the faces of this figure, then this is a triangle and this is square, and a triangle can't be congruent with the square. So this is, its faces are non-congruent. So that's why it is called irregular polyhedron. So you should know that congruent polyhedrons are those in which, regular polyhedron are those in which the faces are congruent polygons, and irregular polyhedrons are those whose faces are non-congruent polygons, right? So definition part is very important. This all is the part of you can say your syllabus. आपने इसको करना है अच्छे से, आपके syllabus का part है सारी definition. So you will do it carefully. Just a minute. Irregular polyhedrons, non-polyhedrons, we have done the definition of polyhedron, we have done the definition of non-polyhedron, then we have done the definition of convex polyhedron, concave polyhedron, regular polyhedron, and irregular. When you will do the definition in the contrast form कि regular irregular में difference क्या है, तो definition बड़ी आसानी से याद हो जाएगी. When you do the definition by making the contrast between regular and irregular polyhedron, then that will be easy to remember the definition. हाँ जी रिदम, what do you want to ask?
मैम जो क्यूबॉइड है वो रेगुलर पॉलीहेड्रन में आएगा ना?
बच्चे क्यूबॉइड के भी जो फेसेस हैं वो एक तरह से हम देखें तो कॉन्ग्रुएंट नहीं है. सम आर ये कॉन्ग्रुएंट हैं, ये अलग सा रेक्टेंगल हो गया, ये अलग सा रेक्टेंगल हो गया, ये दोनों आपस में कॉन्ग्रुएंट है, पर आपस में सारे कॉन्ग्रुएंट नहीं. ये वाला फेस इसके कॉन्ग्रुएंट है पर ये वाला फेस इसके कॉन्ग्रुएंट नहीं है. सारे फेसेस अगर कॉन्ग्रुएंट होंगे, कॉन्ग्रुएंट पॉलीगन्स होंगे, तब होगा रेगुलर. ओके रिदम?
ओके,
चलिए. So next definition that we are going to start is the definition of prism. So till now we did the definition of polyhedron, which is made up of polygons. Polygons are those which are made up of line segments. Then we did the definition of convex and concave polygon, that if the line joining the 2 points entirely lies inside the figure, then it is concave, otherwise it is convex. Right? शायद उल्टा बोल दिया मैंने. If lies entirely inside, then convex. If outside, then concave. Then we did the definition of regular polyhedron and irregular. If the faces are congruent polygons, then we say it is you can say regular polyhedron, and if the faces are not congruent, then we say it is the irregular polygon. So this definition we have done till now, and now we are going to start with the definition of prism. And before that, I would like to take doubt of Japji. Hanji Japji, what do you want to ask?
मैम जो सिलेंडर है वो रेगुलर पॉलीहेड्रन है।
नो, सिलेंडर इज इरेगुलर पॉलीहेड्रन। Moreover, sorry, cylinder is not a polyhedron. It is non-polyhedron. Polyhedron तो वो था जिसके फेसेस पॉलीगन्स होंगे। जब जी, आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? जपू जी, शायद मैंने आपको एग्जांपल गलत दे दिया, सिलेंडर का एग्जांपल यहाँ पे नहीं आना चाहिए था, बिकॉज सिलेंडर इज नॉट नॉन पॉली, नहीं मैंने एग्जांपल आपको ठीक दिया, मैंने इसका एग्जांपल दिया था आपको स्क्वायर पिरामिड का, जिसके फेसेस कॉन्ग्रेंट नहीं है, पॉलीगन्स हैं बट कॉन्ग्रेंट नहीं है। बट यहाँ पे सिलेंडर को हम इरेगुलर या रेगुलर पॉलीहेड्रन की कैटेगरी में वी कांट प्लेस इट, रीजन बीइंग इट इज नॉट ए पॉलीहेड्रन, सो हाउ इट कैन बी प्लेस्ड इन द डेफिनेशन ऑफ रेगुलर or irregular polyhedron, right now? So this you have to keep in mind. Anyhow, chale, let us start with the definition of prism. Firstly, we will define it, then we will learn its definition, we'll understand its definition with the help of figure. A solid whose top and bottom faces are congruent polygons and the side faces are either parallelogram or rectangle is called prism. Is called prism. A solid whose top and bottom faces are congruent polygons and the side faces are either parallelogram or rectangle is called prism. When I will show the figure, definitely you will get the idea of the definition. See, this is an example of prism. पहले एक और चीज लिखवाऊंगी मैं आपको, बाद में बताती हूँ। स्टार बना के नीचे एक रिमार्क लिखिए डेफिनेशन के नीचे। Prism is always named after its top and bottom face. Prism is always named after its top and bottom face. ये मेरे को लिखवाना था पहले, फिर मैं definition आपको through figure I will tell you. See now, see the figure carefully. I told you a solid whose top and the bottom face. This is the top face. साइड फेसेस भी इसको कह सकते हैं, पर हम इसको टॉप बॉटम लेंगे बिकॉज साइड वाले ये वाले ले रहे हैं हम। दिस इज अ टॉप फेस, दिस इज अ बॉटम फेस। इफ दे आर द कॉन्ग्रुएंट पॉलीगन्स, सी इसका टॉप फेस है ट्राइंगल, इसका बॉटम फेस भी है ट्राइंगल, सेम होंगे, जो टॉप फेस होगा वही बॉटम फेस होगा। मोरओवर दे आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट, कॉन्ग्रुएंट इन द सेंस जैसा ट्राइंगल इसके टॉप फेस में इधर है, जो साइड्स की लेंथ लेंथ साइड की लेंथ जो टॉप फेस वाले ट्राइंगल की है, सेम sides length is there in the bottom face triangle. That means they are the congruent. Top and bottom face are the congruent polygons. पहली बात clear हुई? Whose top and bottom face are the congruent polygons. इतना हमने with the help of the figure we come to know whose top and the bottom face are the congruent polygons. And the side faces, rest of the faces, side faces आप rest of the faces भी कह सकते हो। Side faces in the sense this is slant face, ये वाला इधर वाला slant face, नीचे वाला face, बाकी के सारे faces either they will be parallelogram or rectangle. You can see this slant face, this is a parallelogram, this slant face, this is a parallelogram, and the bottom slant face, this is a rectangle. This is a parallelogram, this is two rectangle ही है, वैसे parallelogram भी आप कह सकते हो, rectangle ही है, क्योंकि 90 डिग्री के एंगल पे बाइसेक्ट कर रहे हैं। सो या तो ये रेक्टेंगल हो सकते हैं साइड फेस, या फिर आपके पास ये पैरेललोग्राम हो सकते हैं। इसको हम एग्जाम्पल बोलते हैं प्रिज्म का। एंड आई टोल्ड यू प्रिज्म इज ऑलवेज नेम्ड आफ्टर इट्स टॉप एंड द बॉटम फेस। दिस इट्स टॉप फेस, आप बता सकते हो इस फेस, इसके इस टॉप फेस की शेप को आप क्या कहोगे? जो आपके सामने आपको स्क्रीन में दिख रहा है आपकी, दिस shape is known as top face or the bottom face. What is this shape? Only Rhythm is raising hand. Where are my other students? हाँ जी जयंत, you tell.
मैम ट्राइंगल।
Rhythm ने बता ही दिया, ठीक है triangle. Jayant, you also unmute yourself. I would like to ask one question from you also. Jayant.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Name of this face as this is triangle, है ना? Rhythm is telling it is triangle. So I told that prism is always named after its top and the base face. So this prism will be known as, name बताओ फटाफट से इसका जयंत, नेम बताओ इसका फटाफट से।
Triangular prism.
बिल्कुल ठीक, दिस इज नोन एज ट्राइंगुलर प्रिज्म, एज इट्स टॉप एंड द बॉटम फेस इट इज ट्राइंगल. सो प्रिज्म इज ऑलवेज नोन आफ्टर इट्स बेस फेस. ठीक है, एज वी ऑल नोन आफ्टर आवर कंट्री दैट वी आर इंडियंस, वी लिव इन इंडिया, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर इंडियंस. ठीक है, some people came from South Africa, they are South Africans, right? They are Australians if they are coming from Australia, Canada, Canadians, but we are proud that we are Indians, right? So we are coming from India, that's why we are known as Indian. And this triangular prism, as its top and base faces are triangle, so its name will be triangular prism, right? So this is the definition of the prism. We will do the types of the prism also, but before that definitions पहले करवानी हमारी जरूरी थी. एक्चुअली प्रिज्म की डेफिनेशन से पहले ना हमें एक चीज करनी चाहिए थी, अब मैं जो करवाने लगी ना उसको इस डेफिनेशन से पहले लिख लेना. ठीक है, प्रिज्म को बाद में डिस्कस करना चाहिए था. फर्स्टली आई शुड डिस्कस वन थिंग and then we should shift to prism. Anyhow, इसको hold पे रखो. So many things we have to learn about the prism, types of the prism, their faces, vertices, edges, all that. But firstly, we will do one chart that has been missed. Let us do that chart. Make the heading. अच्छा, यहाँ पे एक चीज और. चलो, anyhow, you make the heading. Some solid figures. ये चार्ट पहले बनाओगे. Some solid figures with number of faces, vertices. Some solid figures with number of faces, vertices, and edges. And edges. Figure name, its shape, number of faces, edges, vertices. Faces, edges, vertices. चलिए, first of all, I am going to discuss in front of you. The name of the figure is cube. Shape is, you can make it very easily, 3D form. All of you, you know how to make cube, 3D form? Yes, yes. If anyone is not knowing, you can raise your hand, I will tell you. Otherwise, it's very easy. Earlier also we learned the one cube, another cube, joining. Okay? So this is the shape. And if we are talking about the faces, you can see this cube: front face, back face, upper face, lower face, side face, side face. There are 6 faces of this cube. 6 faces. The room in which we are sitting, it is also cubical or cuboidal. It is having 6 faces. If we are talking about its edges, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 एजेस मीन्स ये जो आपको लाइंस दिख रही ये वाली लाइंस, तो यू काउंट दीज लाइंस, कोई भी क्यूबिकल बॉक्स लेके साइड वाली लाइंस काउंट करना, दे आर 12 in number. And if we are talking about vertices of the cube, vertices are the corners. You see, one corner, two corner, 3 4 4 कोने ऊपर हो गए, 5 6 7 and this is 8. There are 8 vertices. Same will happen in case of cuboid. Same will happen in case of cuboid. क्यूबॉइड में बस सिर्फ फेसेस रेक्टेंगुलर हो जाते हैं, अदरवाइज देयर नंबर एवरीथिंग विल रिमेन द सेम, सब कुछ सेम होगा क्यूबॉइड के केस में. क्यूबॉइड एंड लेट अस डू सिलेंडर थर्ड. So recently we did cylinder, question based on cylinder. I told you cylinder is having 3 faces. One is a curved face, another is a circular face upper side, circular face lower side. There are 3 faces. And edges. If I put the cylinder in 2D form in front of you ऐसे, तो आपको पीछे वाला हिस्सा कुछ नहीं दिख रहा, आपको यहाँ पे एक लाइन दिख रही है स्ट्रेट, और आपको यहाँ पे एक स्ट्रेट लाइन दिख रही है. Edges are those with the help of which faces are joined. तो एक फेस और दूसरा फेस, दोनों फेस तीसरे फेस के साथ 2 लाइनों के साथ ज्वाइंट दिख रहे हैं हमें, तो दैट्स व्हाई वी काउंट इट्स एजेस टू बी 2. वर्टिसेस आर समथिंग पिन पॉइंट, कोई पॉइंटेड सिचुएशन, दैट मींस इसको हम बोधी कह देते हैं, जैसे कि इसकी है, इसकी बोधी है, इसको पकड़ा जा सकता है ऐसे, है ना, बट इसकी कोई नहीं है. So no vertex is there of cylinder. Cylinder is having 0 vertices. So write down cone. Next is cone. Ice cream cone. But right now तो we are not talking about ice cream. हमारी खुद की ice cream बनी पड़ी है इतनी ठंड में. So मुझे लगता है cone जो है वो मैं लेके नहीं आई. Anyhow, मैं इसी के थ्रू आपको दिखा देती हूँ. इसको आप cone ही समझो. सो इसके फेसेस की अगर बात करें, एक फेस यहाँ पे और एक फेस नीचे सर्कल, ठीक है. 2 फेसेस को ज्वाइन करने के लिए एक एज की जरूरत पड़ेगी, एक एज ही होगा जहां पे 2 फेसेस ज्वाइन होंगे. सो नंबर ऑफ फेसेस 2, नंबर ऑफ एजेस 1 एंड वर्टेक्स इसको हम ऊपर से पकड़ सकते हैं, तो इट इज हैविंग 1 वर्टेक्स. सो द 5th फिगर इज स्फीयर. Sphere, we all have one football in our house. हमारे पास, हमारे घर पे फुटबॉल है हमारे पास, है ना. So you know, Earth is also of spherical shape and Earth is having only one face, right? There is no face at all. Only one face is there. मतलब एक धरती है जिसका एक ही चेहरा है, नहीं तो हर इंसान के 2 चेहरे हैं. देखो धरती पे रहने वाले हर इंसान के 2 चेहरे हैं, पर खुद धरती माँ का सिर्फ एक ही चेहरा है, ठीक है. सो स्फीयर इज हैविंग ओनली 1 फेस. कैसी विडंबना है, माँ का एक ही चेहरा है, उसके सारे बच्चों के 2-2 चेहरे हैं, है ना. चलिए, सो नंबर ऑफ फेसेस इज 1 एंड नंबर ऑफ एजेस, नो एज यू कैन सी हियर बिकॉज फेस को ज्वाइन ही नहीं करना हमें, जब फेस ही 1 है तो वी डोंट नीड एनी एज. सो नो एज इज देयर. No vertex is there. You will not find any pinpoint on the surface of the earth. On the surface of, you can say your ball. So only there is no vertex. That means 0 vertex. So these 5 shapes are there. Initially, we will do cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere. We are already known to them. They are already known to us, and we are already known to them. They are already known to us, and we just have a look on the number of faces, vertices and edges as they are having. Hanji Jayant, what do you want to ask? Jayant.
मैम आपने स्फीयर के अंदर मैम क्या ड्रॉ किया?
स्फीयर ही ड्रॉ किया, बॉल ड्रॉ कर दी मैंने, डिजाइन सा बना दिया बीच में. आप शेड कर लो, ठीक है. So Rhythm, do send the absentees so that we can very minutely see that who are not attending the classes, right? And this is all about today's lecture. We'll continue tomorrow.